how to set gallery images detail enhancer to maximum, minimum, or off on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the gallery app. Next in here, make sure you go back to the gallery homepage. Then tap on the menu button. From the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in gallery settings, we then scroll down to the editing section and tap on detail enhancer. From here, you can choose maximum, minimum, or off. So with detail enhancer, the phone will automatically upscale the resolution when you crop or remaster an image or when you change the key image on a motion photo. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.